Welcome to my channel. Today, we are testing the WPL C24-1. We are going to see how it performs in the water and how it handles the rocks. We're taking the white pickup out for a deep water test today. The entry is smooth, but the water is deeper than it looks. And we're under. The truck is almost completely submerged now. This is where the waterproofing really gets put to the test. Just look at those ripples. There she is. Breaking the surface. The motor is still humming, and we're pushing through the murky pond towards the bank. Traction is key here. The tires are grabbing the rocky bottom as we transition from the water back to solid ground. Back on dry land, or at least, muddy land. The white paint is a bit dirtier, but the truck handled the dive like a pro. Ready for the next trail. It looks like a real scaler, and it absolutely loves the water, but can this budget beast actually crawl? For a budget truck, this thing handles moisture surprisingly well. The electronics held up, and those soft tires actually grip decently in the mud. If you just want to trail drive through puddles, it's a blast. It looks realistic and feels unstoppable here. But here is where things get tricky. I took it over to the rocks to test its technical crawling, and we found a major flaw. You see that? That is the speed issue. The stock electronics and gearing on the C24-1 are just too fast. There is no slow crawl mode. When you are on rocks, you need precision. You need to inch forward millimeter by millimeter. But with this setup, it's either stop or full speed. It makes it incredibly hard to control. You try to climb a rock, and instead of crawling, you jump over it, or flip off it. It lacks that low-end torque modulation. It's frustrating because the suspension is actually decent, but you can't use it because you're driving too fast to keep a line. So, what is the verdict? If you want a cool-looking truck to bash through mud and water on flat trails, the WPL C24-1 is awesome for the price. But, if you want to do serious technical rock crawling, you are going to struggle with the stock speed. You will likely need to upgrade the motor or gearbox to get that slow speed control back.